Hello. Good morning. Yeah, these are demo classes. Just observe it here, whatever I'm telling. Now, today we are going to start Oracle 19C. What is Oracle means? Everyone knows Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This 19 is a version number. 1978 onwards, Oracle was released so many versions. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three versions are also called as 8i. Next, Oracle 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are the version numbers. These are the version numbers. Observe it here. Now 119 is a latest one of the popular version. This version regularly used in a real-time project site nowadays. C means cloud computing or cloud tech. Okay, na? Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. C is a cloud technology. Now observe it here. Really, what is this Oracle means? Oracle is one of the popular database product. Here, this is a database product. Now check it out. Now I'm installing a Oracle software. You are also in the future installing Oracle software. Now observe it here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software in my system, same like a Java, same like a .NET, here after Oracle, one terminology is displayed. What is that one? Database. That's a Oracle is a database product. Now observe it here. What is the purpose of these database products means everyone knows. What is the purpose? To store data. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means always hard disk. Secondary storage devices. Hello. It is audible now? Anybody tell me? Understood up to this one? Tell me, unmute. Okay. Yeah. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. This is up to this one. Everyone knows, I think. Okay. Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. 1 minute. And now observe here. Up to this one, everyone knows. But unfortunately, concentrate. Here, I am also here also thinking, how can I miss? Observe it here. This is a software, Oracle software I'm installing in my system. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software in my system, automatically some place is created. That is, I know, you know, everyone knows. This place is also called as database. Database is a place where we can store data. Okay, database. Now, what the problem is, I am a first time newcomer, you are a first time newcomer. How we are thinking? In this database, we are allowed to store any random collection of data in a random data. Okay, we are thinking generally any type of data also we are allowed to store in these databases. We are thinking that is the wrong one. Only these databases stores a structured collection of data. Organized fashion only data is storing. A structured collection of data only these databases storing. And now observe here. Suppose here nowadays table format only data is there. Structured collection of data. Organized collection of data. Here. This is structured collection of data, not a unstructured. Why? Because observe here. Oracle is a database. SQL Server is a database. DB2 is a database. MySQL is a database, Teradata is a database. These type of database softwares are implemented based on one concept is there, a relational data model. That's why those type of data model softwares, that is these database softwares are also called as relational databases. These relational databases relational databases are implemented based on which concept? Relational data model. That concept was implemented by EF Cod. He is a mathematician. He is working in a where IBM company. He was working in a where IBM company in the olden days. That's why he is a mathematician means he is only invented a what? These all the things only relational data model concepts. That's why he is only representing a what? Data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns. That's why here nowadays same like a matrix format a table is there or not. That is called structured collection of data. That is called structured collection of data. That's why relational data model products are stores a what? Structured collection of data, not unstructured. Suppose MongoDB is there nowadays, that is unstructured. That is different. There is no SQL database, but this is structured collection of data. Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL like that. Once a structured collection of data is there, I am also, you are also operating a what? These databases by using a what? Anybody? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling only SQL is a language. If you want to operate a what? Data in these databases, we are using SQL language. This language was also implemented by EF Cod. He is the father of the relational data model and these type of languages only. SQL is a structured query language. This is not like a C, C++, Java. Here, this is a non-procedure language. Variables are not there, loops are not there. Very simplest language. Same like English type commands through. We are operating a water data only insert, update, delete. I will tell you those all the things. That's why always Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. MySQL is a open source. Teradata is a product from NCR Corporation. DB2 is a product from IBM company. These all products are implemented based on which concept? Relational data model is a concept is there in a future. Don't worry. That concept based only implemented products are also called as relational databases. In relational databases, data stored in a where? Structured format or unstructured? Structured format. Structured collection of data. Once a structured collection of data is there, we are operating a data by using which language? SQL is a language. What is that SQL language? Structured query language only. Really that is correct or not? I will tell you. Suppose this is a Oracle software, Oracle database is there. For example, okay, yeah. Now in this one, just observe it here. Structured collection of data is there or not? Check it out. Here, this is a bank is a table is there. Now here in this bank table, account number, name and balance is also called as columns. Here 1001, these are called records. 1001 account number, Murali, my name only, account holder, and 2400 is a balance. Again 1002, Name another account holder ABC. 5,000 is a balance. These are called records or not? This is a record. This is horizontal. This is a record. Here account number, name and balance is a what? Columns. Suppose here in my project, this table is there within the database. Table format only data is there. Why? Because structured collection of data. Observe here. Observe here. In this, so how I'm giving the guarantee this is a structured collection of data means here account number only stores numbers. Name only stores what? Strings. Here balance only stores what? Numbers. And now that's why this is called a structured collection of data. Now you try to operate a what data in this database means just we are using SQL is a long way. Suppose here my balance is 2,400 rupees, for example, presently. Now today I try to withdraw 400 rupees from the ATM machine, for example. Now whenever I'm inserting a what ATM card, just I'm taking a what some steps only. Just after that one, I try to withdraw amount 400 rupees means internally one update statement is executed. That update statement is written by the way, same like a you only some software engineers, database programmers only. Update table name bank here set balance is equal to balance minus 400 here balance minus 400 where account number is equal to 1001. Whenever they're typing a what internally, that command is executed means observe here that is affected or not. Check it out here. Now observe here 2000. In a previous case, 2,400 is there. Yes, they are withdrawing a what 400 rupees. Internally, this statement is executed. These statements are developed by developers only. And now here automatically they are viewing means balance is there or not 2,000 rupees. That's why always these type of commands, observe here, update, delete, select, these type of commands means these are called SQL language, structured query language. Once you are good at what SQL language in a future, you are also familiar, then these type of things easily understandable. Okay, na? Yeah, this is called SQL language. This is not a difficult coding, very easiest coding only. 1 or 2 lines of coding, that's all. Now here, observe here, in a big tables, you are observing also here, in a Oracle provided a predefined tables. That bank table is my table. I'm creating another class side only. Just observe it here. Now, big tables you are observing also. Structured collection of data is there. Here, this is a employee table, EMP table. Employee details, they are storing only Oracle Corporation giving practice purpose this table. Here, employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. These are columns. Here, these are rows. Here, rows are there. Here also structured collection of data is there or not? Yes, here, observe here. These are employee number means only numbers are storing. Here job means only strings are storing. Here salary means only numbers are storing only. This is the way. And now here check it out. Here concentrate here. Select star from what is the table? DEPT like this. And now here another table is there. Suppose 10th department accounting Hyderabad is there. In another class, I'm changing only. This Hyderabad today I want to change into where New York. Then how can I just I'm a programmer means I'm typing a what some command. Update table name here set sorry, update table name set here location is equal to New York. New York like this. Here where department number is equal to 10. Whenever you are writing about that coding automatically, observe it here, this is affected or not, check it out. New York is there. In a previous case, Hyderabad is there. In this case, New York is there. That's why this is called these statements, update, select, insert, delete. This is called SQL language, structured query language. Up to that one understood? Yes. Here, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is a popular product. That is also called as database product. What is the purpose of the database products? We are storing our data permanently like this, a table format. But this database stores a what? Structured collection of data. If you want to operate Oracle or data in Oracle database, then we are using a what? Which languages? Anybody have an idea? One is up to now we are discussing what is that language? SQL is a language. Not only SQL language, another language is there. What is that one? Anybody having idea? Anybody? Another language also. Anybody guess it? In a Java developers are there in our class. In a .NET developers are there. In a Python developers are there. In a AI developers are there. They well-known persons. Very good. One fellow is telling PLSQL, not an NoSQL, PLSQL. NoSQL means that is MongoDB. That is another unstructured data. Okay, now this is a PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Okay, now PLSQL. Again, another language is dynamic SQL. Here, dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL not required, but my interest purpose, I'm telling only why, because I'm so experienced person here where they are using what is that one I know. So now that's why those things also I will tell you. Now observe here, SQL means structured query language. PLSQL means extension of the SQL, that is called procedure language concepts they are embedded, that is called PLSQL, and another one is dynamic SQL. At least these two languages you are good means you are operating a what? Data in a Oracle database. Suppose not only that one, you are interested to work with about only database projects, Oracle or PLSQL developer or okay, Oracle apps developer means these two languages you are good means enough. Suppose you are a database, sorry, you are not a database programmer, back-end front-end programmer, that is Java, .NET, Python. These type of front-end developer means at least SQL language must familiar. PLSQL only stored procedure you have an idea means enough. In SQL language, some concepts are there, joins, those type of constraints, primary key, fundamentals you have an idea means enough. That's why so many fellows are nowadays they are learning about these database courses. Why? Because not only settled in a where database developer side, but also so now here settled in a where front-end developer side also minimum knowledge is required in a database. What type of jobs are there? What is that one? That is later. I will tell you. Observe it here. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a database product. This in this database project, we are storing a what? Structured collection of data. If you want to operate a data in Oracle database, then we are using which languages? SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL languages. Now, in our course, otherwise, anywhere one worldwide, we are learning means in SQL course side, which main concepts are there means joins is a concepts are there. Okay, first DDL, DML, so many things I will tell you. First observe here, important concepts in a where SQL language means joins. Joins means retrieving a data from multiple tables. Big chapter, left outer join, full outer join, right outer join, natural join, cross join, inner join, so many things, self join, we are learning. Okay, yeah, that's most powerful. This is mandatory to know. Here, next here, constraints. Constraints is a concept. Is a constraint means primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null. So now how we are establishing a relationship between the table or when we are deleting a master table record, what happened? These are all the things we are learning. Again, another one is subqueries. Very, very important. Subqueries. Subqueries means query within another query. Select statement within another select statement only. Suppose whenever you are attending an interview, interviewers are asking about write a query to display entire salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows, write a query to display second highest salary employee or fifth highest salary employee. These queries where we are using, where we are learning means in this sub query chapter. Very, 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 very important. Yeah, why interviewer asking what that queries means at least those queries you are writing what in front of the interviewer means oh maybe minimum knowledge is there in a database, they are understandable, that purpose. That's why this is very, 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 very important chapter. Next only, okay, so many chapters are there. Okay, advanced regression reviews, sequence, synonyms, indexes, regular express, so many things are there. These are main concepts. In a PLSQL also, so now here main concepts are there. Don't write it, just observe it here. Stored procedures is a concept is there. Okay, cursor is there, exception is there. Don't worry. Okay, just important one I'm telling. So stored procedure is a concept where we are learning in a PLSQL and also stored functions we are learning. Okay, and these two are most powerful in a PLSQL side. That's why compulsory minimum basic means those type of important concepts you must familiar. Important concepts we must familiar only. Okay, yeah. Hello, 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 hello. Now it is audible. Hello, hello, hello. Unmuting there. Hello, hello, hello. Tell me. Now check it out. Really big concepts are there that later. Your your PLSQL means don't afraid only here. Here block structure here. These are concepts. PLSQL, cursor, exceptions, subprogram stored procedures, stored functions, triggers, packages, types, indexes, collections. Types of packaging collections, bulk bind, rip cursor, local subprograms, UTL file packages, spell loader. So now external tables, this type of things for it. Okay. So now highly advanced. How much syllabus is there after here? So many things are there. We are learning, don't worry. So once you are good at this one also, so many jobs are there. Yesterday, one of the our student is telling only senior most okay, employee. Okay, in a TCS use requirements are there in a PLSQL. Now presently also. In Infosys also now here, Bangalore location, PLSQL developer interviews are going on. Because competition is very less compared to other software technologies, means PLS, okay, Oracle database, and then PLSQL developer side. Because so many fellows are doesn't know, but properly learning means easily getting a job. And now observe it here. Okay, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. If you want to operate a Oracle, then we are using which languages? SQL, PLSQL, and another language is what? Dynamic, Dynamic SQL. Okay, na? Yeah. And now observe it here. Today, you are a first time newcomer. I have a doubt only. I'm asking some questions only. Slowly observe it here. Okay. Now check it out. Suppose I'm working in a company, for example, technical terminology, I will tell you. Here, I'm working in a where company side. In my company, what is the product project I'm working means Oracle project I'm working. If I want to operate a what Oracle database project, I am also my colleagues also using a what which language? SQL is a language. Again, observe it here. SQL server is a product is there. That is also database product from Microsoft. Those persons also operating by using a what SQL language. Okay, na? Yeah. Again, another product is there, MySQL, for example, MySQL. This is also another popular database product from open source. Who are working in a where in that MySQL project also, they are using a what, which language? SQL language to operate a what, data in a database. Now, these all SQL languages are same or different? I have a doubt only. Anybody tell me in our class? Anybody tell me? These all SQL languages are same or different? Guess it. Maybe roughly. Suppose Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. MySQL is a open source. In these all products, who are working employees means those persons are operating a data in a way, these database softwares. But they are using a what? SQL is a language for operating a what? Data in a way databases. Now, these all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. Anybody tell me? Same or different? Very good. So many fellows are telling a what? Same only they are telling, but unfortunately that is different. Why I'm okay telling a what different means reason is there. Okay, observe it here. I will tell you. Now observe it here. Different is a correct answer. Now here why means Suppose first time newcomer, I am also, you are also thinking, those all SQL languages are same, we are thinking generally. Why? Because in academic career side, anybody learning about in a TBMS, database management system in a where theoretical, okay, subject is there in a BTechs only, okay, MCA, MSc computers, these type of courses they are learning is this concept is common. In that one, they are providing a labs only, either Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, in a labs they are providing. In that one, just so many computer students are, yes, they are observing only insert, update, delete, select, some commands are there, 4 or 5 commands, same, really same. 4 or 5 commands are same in a where every database also. Either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2, they are observing means every okay, so now database also first 4 or 5 commands are same. That's why they are thinking about same only. But unfortunately different. These SQL languages are originally different. How you are understandable those things means observe here, concentrate. Simple technique is there. Now observe here. We are comparing something means then easily understandable. Suppose screen observe. Everyone knows object-oriented languages in academic career side. Through that one, this comparison means easily you are remembering only these things. Suppose C++ is an object-oriented language. Okay, na? Yeah. Again, another object-oriented popular language means Java is an object-oriented language. Now observe here. In a C++, observe here. C++ is an object-oriented language. Another one is Java is an object-oriented language. Now observe here. In a C++ and Java, object-oriented features are there. What is object? What is class? What is inheritance? What is okay polymorphism? These type of concepts are there. Okay, yeah. That is called OOPS concepts. Here also in a Java also same thing is there. What is object? What is class? What is okay inheritance? What is okay son of here polymorphism? These type of features are also called as OOPS features. Okay. Here also what is what? Same. Okay, now, but unfortunately, in a C++, I try to create an object. Creating an object, for example, okay, anybody good at what these languages means? What is the syntax of creating an object in a C++? Anybody have an idea? Very good. What is the syntax means? Class name, space object name. Okay, what is class? What is object? I'm not telling. Just roughly observe it here. These things may be some fellows having idea. And now computer students. Now, again, creating an object in a Java, creating an object in a Java, what is the syntax? Yes, class name, space, object name is equal to new class constructor. New class constructor like this. That's why syntax is same or different, syntactically different. Observe here. And also functions also different. Suppose in a C++, if you want to display stream output, means C out is a function we are using. Okay, na? Same function we are using in a where in a Java working, no. Here system dot out dot println something is there or not. That is nothing but a Java. That's why always oops concepts are same in these two languages. You are observing or not, what is object, what is class or anything. But syntactically different, no? Same creating an object also syntactically different in these two languages. And also functions also different or not. Same thing, keep it in mind, in your mind, then you are understandable now with SQL also. Suppose this is a Oracle database is there, no? Yeah. If you want to operate a Oracle data, okay, Oracle data means SQL language we are using, but unfortunately SQL is a what? ANSI standard language. American National Standard Institute defining some standards only. Observe here. ANSI standard language which works with all databases. I'm agree. ANSI standard language only which works with all databases. But unfortunately, here only problem is there. Slowly observe here. Suppose here Oracle is there. Slowly observe here. Now you are understandable more clearly. Oracle. Here SQL Server. Here MySQL. Okay, now observe it here. Oracle is, oh, sorry, SQL is ANSI standard language. Okay, I'm agree. But unfortunately, from this ANSI standard language, SQL, Oracle Corporation creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. That is called Oracle SQL. Oracle SQL. Again, from this ANSI standard SQL Server creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called SQL Server SQL. SQL Server SQL. Again, from this ANSI standard SQL, MySQL creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called MySQL SQL. That's why Oracle programmer, which SQL language they are learning? Oracle SQL language they are learning. Conceptually same. What is what? Joins, constraints, subqueries, procedures. Okay, what is what means conceptually same in these languages, but syntactically different. And also functions also different. Functions means suppose in a where the null values operating means any arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will becomes a null. In Oracle side, how we are operating a what null values means NVL is a function is there. Same function I try to use in a where SQL server working, no, because functions are different, same like a C++, Java, I told no in a previous case. Here, which one? Is null is a function. Okay. Here, MySQL database side, if null is a function. That's why functions also different. Syntactically different and functions also different only. That's why same like a C++, Java, you are keep it in mind only. Conceptually same features. Okay, yeah. But syntactically different and functions also different. Okay, yeah. That's why in our class, Oracle SQL, we are learning only. Suppose in a Oracle side, I try to add a number of months means I am writing a what. So now here, yes, select add underscore months, for example. This is a function is there. Okay, for example, same function I try to write in a where in SQL server working. No, how it is working? Impossible. That is date add is a function is there. That's why different languages, different functions are not. Yes, here. Now here observe it here. 1 month adding means October, it will display in a where 30 likes. That's why here just you are a first time newcomer, how you are learning. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a popular database product. If you want to work with the what Oracle projects means compulsory you are learning about two languages. One is SQL, another one is PL SQL. SQL means a non-procedural language. PL SQL means procedural language concepts. They are embedded in a where SQL. One by one we are learning only. Okay, that much of thing is enough in a first initial stage. Okay. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. First class, no. Demo class this one. Anybody having any doubts, please ask. Hello.
Hi, I
Tell,
have one doubt.
tell.
So, we have the latest version of Oracle 21C, then why are we going for 19C?
Yeah, no, not a problem. 21C, 19C, or 23C. Extra features only available. Okay, na?
Okay,
If you are
okay,
interested to download, means that one also. Only extra features are there. Still in a
oh,
company side, Tolosi also they are using, 10G also they are using, 9A also they are using. But most of the companies I am observing in 19C. Okay, yeah.
okay, got it. Yeah,
That is not a
that.
biggest problem. Okay, but your
Okay,
classes are in 9 to 10 only. Okay, regularly. Actually, 9 to 10, one batch is already started only. That is add batch, this one only. Okay, yeah.
okay,
Okay, 9 to 10. Unfortunately, not only that one. Okay, more hours we are learning in a way in a future. Why? Because this is a huge syllabus. First time I'm not showing only that one. Actually, very huge concepts are there in a our class side. Because whenever we are learning about in a course also depth way we are learning better. Okay, observe it here. So much of syllabus is there. That's why half of the SQL you are learning is parallelly you are learning about PLSQL. First time not telling only, okay, later, so many things are there. That is better. Why? Because nowadays industry everyone knows subject is not good means maybe they are not taking those candidates, and also we are unable to survey also in industry. That's the problem. Okay, na? How much more hours we are spending in aware along with me, those much of knowledge we are getting only. That's all. Okay. Hello. Hello. Anybody having any doubts? Hello. Not audible. Hello. Any problem? Hello. Hello, it is audible now. Hello. 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 It is audible now. Hello. Okay, yeah, it is audible. Okay, but tomorrow there is no class only. Monday will continue because in this session another old batch students are attending only. That's the person. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. Okay, na? Yeah, Monday at same time only, 8 o'clock. Okay, 2 or 3 days we are telling about demo classes. Then we are starting a regular classes. Okay, na? Monday will continue. Thank you. Monday, Sunday class is not there. Monday will continue. Okay, na? Yeah, first time.
I have one more question. So I do have knowledge on SQL already. So I already started a job working from a week on PLSQL. So I
Okay.
want to start on PLSQL itself. Is there
Yeah,
any
good,
way?
not a problem. Yeah, actually, PLSQL in this 8 o'clock only going on. Today, last those concepts are triggers are going on, mutating error, those are all the things only. But
Okay.
that batch is completed. Again, new batch means I will intimate you. Okay, yeah, evening maybe, evening 7 or 6 maybe those timing only there. Okay, new batch means.
Okay.
Okay, in the
Okay.
future. Okay, yeah. But maybe you have a good knowledge in a very SQL language means just better to your own way you are learning. Our recorded videos are there in a PLSQL and all these things. Through that one also you are getting a good knowledge. Not a problem because same class no, recorded videos are there. No, that's why.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe try it. Okay, not a problem. Yeah,
Yeah.
knowledge.
Whom should I contact for this recording, class recordings?
Those management only. They will
Okay.
tell you all things. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much.